I'm going to make an announcement. We now have astrology in our center, and that's going to be handled by Pranjal. Pranjal is amazing at doing astrology readings. So if you want to know whether a certain planet is helping you, hurting you, because sometimes you could be, like I talk about the negative planets like number 4, 7, 8. But a lot of times, you could have a hidden Ketu in your chart that is troubling you. You could have a hidden Shani in your chart that is troubling you. Okay, so you can get a reading done from Pranjal. These are detailed sessions, and note down your 3 very important questions in the reading pertaining to a certain area of your life, and those will be looked at in detail, and that prediction will be given to you, or guidance will be given to you. But it's based on astrology and not tarot. Pranjal is really amazing. The things she's said for me, for Shian, for Zubin, for Vaishak is absolutely uncanny. I've never really got too many readings done, but the kind of detail that I got from looking at, like when she studied Vaishak's chart, that is my husband, Shian's, Zubin's, myself, and certain things that she's also said, like during some of her, when we had discussions, the things that she said about certain people by looking at their chart was unbelievable. Like she's also kind of said, for certain people, whether they'll do really well in their birth country, out of their birth country, what's good for you, not good for you, which profession you'll prosper in. Sometimes you could be putting money into a certain business. I also invest in several other businesses. So, she would actually tell me that this will be successful and this won't. And it just makes a lot of sense. When you're putting money somewhere, or when you're putting your energy somewhere, you want to know whether it will work for you or not.